junkfoodtaster.com, and these are 21 surprise eggs, and it's about the question which of these will contain the most awesome toy. So let's get straight forward, guys. I'm starting with the very famous Kinder Surprise Egg itself. Here we go. So, and inside is some frog or something. Okay, and if you rub the back of the frog, it makes funny sounds. Here we go. Decide on your own whether this is a fancy toy. So here comes the next. I think I'm going now for the Muppets egg. Yeah, look at this. And it's Gonzo. And let's see what Gonzo has. So it's a blue capsule. And what is in here? Ah, some sort of keychain. A funny guy smiling. So here are the other keychains. And I think I'm rating this more awesome than this little frog. So, yep. Now comes the next egg. I think I go for Angry Birds. Yeah, a red bird. And this is, I think, the most chocolate of all. Yeah, and some sort of wooden egg. Look at this. I'll try to just... Oh! It exploded. No. Okay. Never mind. Let's go straight forward. The egg itself is also kind of dirty. Never mind. Oh. Okay, what's in here? So it's a bird. And here's the flyer. And some sort of pencil head. Yeah, it comes in this interesting box. So let's put it on a pencil. Here we go, opening the plastic case. As you can see, there's a hole at the bottom, and you put your pencil onto it, and then you are cool in school. Alright, I think that this is like, out of this three, the most awesome yet. Alright, what has others to offer us? I think this is very interesting. Cars Super Surprise. This is now a plastic egg, not a chocolate one. So opening this as well. Okay. And this comes with some dextrosa candies. And it's Mater. Yeah, I think it's great. Nice detail, nice figurine. I think it's even more great than this birdie here. So this is now the most fancy. Alright, so it's getting better and better, and let's check out what Star Wars Surprise Egg has to offer. Here, R2-D2 on the aluminium foil. This is kind of annoying. Okay, here we go. It has a white capsule. And in this white capsule is a Star Wars keychain with some evil guys fighting. Alright. And I'm rating this keychain more awesome than the puppet one, the Muppet one, so in the middle. Good, what's next? I think let's go for girly stuff. So we got Snow White here, of course, Disney princess. Let's check it out. And look at this, it's the first time some milk chocolate pops up. Yeah, smooth opening, pink, a pink flyer. And interesting capsule, I have to say. A little ring. Now hard to rate for me as a guy. How do I rate a ring? So there you have your accessories, your gadgets. So let's put it on. Yeah, fits my ring finger very nice. No, my small finger. And I think I don't like it too much, but I like it more than the frog, so it comes in here. And talking about girly stuff, as there are plenty left, but I'm trying to make now boys girl stuff, so I continue with Pioneers and Ferb. And here we go. Yet again another egg explosion, and comes in a blue capsule like the... What was also in the blue capsule? I forgot it. It's a puzzle. Oh, I'm not too excited to do the puzzle right now. Also, I'm knowing that the puzzle quality is kind of low on these ones. So guys, I think I rate the puzzle the least exciting of all toys so far. And so what's next? So girly stuff, I said. And why not Barbie? So the egg is very pink. Let's unwrap it. And yet again white and milk chocolate with stars on the surface. Very good. And a super pink capsule. And every capsule is different. Look at this. And what's in here? Something for your hair. A clip, basically. And how do I rate this? I think the clip is actually quite exciting. So I think the clip is more exciting than the keychains, but not as exciting as a bird. Alright, now boys stuff again. Spiderman is boy stuff, isn't it? It's yet again a plastic egg. And let's unwrap it. So we got yet again Dextrosa candies, and we got Spiderman, but I think it's a very small figurine given that bigger egg. And I'm not too excited of small figurines. And it's like a sitting pose. I think it's more exciting than a frog, but not exciting as a ring, so it comes in here. So what's next? Girly stuff again. I think let's go for this filly. Philly is a big team here. It was one of my first videos which really got views, so I'm kind of sticking to it. And let's check out. It's a little bit like My Little Pony, but only in Germany, like a German version of My Little Pony or something like this. And what's in here? Alright, a fancy mini pony. This is now very much awesome, isn't it? And yeah. So look at this, is a little plush pony with like a diamond and a crown and everything here. I think this is like the most awesome of all of them. More awesome than Mater. Of course a little bit problematic, it's boy stuff and girly stuff at the same time. But I think it's more exciting. And so what comes the next egg? Boy stuff again. I have to tell you, I don't have that many boy stuff anymore. So we got the Lion King, which is maybe gender neutral. And let's check out this egg. Yeah, I hope you enjoy this review. What do you think about like this mass unboxing and the rating of the toys? Let me know. And what we got here? We got this evil creature which hangs out with the evil other lion. And I think this is kind of cool actually. It's evil, but I'm sort of also liking the evil characters. I'm rating it after Mater here. More exciting than the Angry Birds pencil head. So girly stuff again. I think let's go for Minnie Mouse. Minnie, shop till you drop. Here we go, let's open it. And a blue capsule. What's inside the Minnie? Alright, the Minnie is all about collecting a chain. And I got actually the chains. This is now hard to rate. I had this before. I tried to search it for you. So yeah, I'm having a lot of Minnie Mouse stuff. Having my own Minnie Mouse steel box. And it must be in here. Here it is. And basically you buy this eggs and then you have a keychain. I think it's not too exciting. It's maybe... I rate it between the Spiderman and the frog. Okay. It's also, you need to buy a lot of eggs and stuff. I don't like this too much. Now it's again boy stuff. So we got Mickey Mouse. And let's open it. It's again plastic egg now, not a chocolate egg. And what's inside Mickey Mouse? It's a Mickey Mouse figurine. Very good. Quite big. Like, I remember, like the Spiderman was as big an egg, and look at this. So, but it's not that great a quality. Looks a little bit cheap. I think I rate it here. More awesome than the keychain, but not as this hair thing and the hair clip. Okay. So in comes the next egg, girly stuff again. And I think I'm going for this Disney Princess Super Surprise Egg now. Here we go. And let's open this. So we got extra candies. And we got Ariel. I think this is Ariel, isn't she? And here, like the others, you can collect just me. So this is Ariel. So this is probably Cinderella. I'm not that great in girly stuff. I'm kind of liking this figurine a little, just a little bit, not really. I think I rate it greater than the Mickey. I put it in here in my rating. Okay, so what comes next? I think let's go for this Winnie the Pooh Surprise Egg. Of course, it's Disney stuff. And as you can see, it's white chocolate again. Yeah, something is in here, figurine or something. I'm really lucky today, aren't I? Normally I get stickers and stuff, but this is now awesomeness. So this, oh, alright, nice. I think it's a nice character. Here are the others, and it's kind of great. I'm liking the quality. Do I like the quality? Not really, but I think it's a great character. I think I rate it here. More exciting than the hair clip. Alright, so what's next? I think I have a lot of girly stuff left. So let's go for the Kinder Surprise Egg for girls only. Yeah. Here we go. The iconic yellow Kinder Surprise Egg capsule. And inside is a lion or a panther or something. The black cat basically. And it says Panther. Isn't Panther a metal band? Never mind. So, yep. Quite good. And I think I rate it here. Better than the this figurine. Okay, so what comes next? Maybe Kinder Joy now. Kinder Joy is a different concept than all the others I showed you so far. So we got basically here this bucket or this chamber with the candy basically, and here's a chamber with the actual surprise. Right, here we go. And it's some mechanical toy. I put it together. Alright, and what you do with this toy basically is you put it onto a sheet of paper, and then you take a pencil and you start to spin it around, and then you get like a fancy geometric image. So not really fancy, let's try it. And you can basically also try different holes. Let's try this hole. And, oh no. And I think it's quite cool. And I rate it, I think, and I'm rating this like mathematically toy and painting toy here better than the keychain and not so nice than the figurines. So what comes next? Some eggs are left. I can tell you my table is now a giant mess. And yeah, let's go for this Minnie Mouse Super Surprise Egg. Here we go. Yeah. Okay. So it's a white capsule, and inside is a Minnie Mouse figurine and also stickers, which is a nice addition to have some stickers. Okay. And I'm kind of liking her, and let's compare with Mickey directly. And as you can see, the quality is higher, isn't it? So I guess I rate it kind of here. I rate it here. Okay. So how many eggs are left? 3 ones are left. Let's hurry up. Let's make it quick. It's Spiderman again, and this time it's a yellow egg. Yeah, probably we think we got a red Spiderman egg, hadn't we? And what is now inside here? Here we go, it's a white capsule. And inside is Spiderman, a dark Spiderman. An evil one or something. I'm not quite sure. His arm looks super strange. Why is his arm? Ah, he can move his arm. Okay. So this black Spider-Man is actually an action figurine. And I think I rated it's quite good. I think I rated here. Better than the keychains. Okay, 2 ones are left. Here we go. This is like the, look at this. It's a Hello Kitty Super Surprise Egg. And yeah, let's show what Hello Kitty has to offer. Of course, a very iconic girly stuff from Japan, isn't it? So dextrose candies, and it's quite similar. So we got here also Hello Kitty stickers, and we got a Hello Kitty figurine. Isn't this super good? Hello Kitty on a roller. And I think it's like Hello, come on, it's Hello Kitty, and I think it's really great. I rate it here. I rate it third best, I think, here with Mater. It's maybe second to Mater. Okay, I think I need to get rid of this paper here. And last but not least, the very last egg is a completely different concept. It's it's an egg, but it's like a candy spray. It's really sort of wicked, and it's Disney Cars. And as you can see, it's not really also a surprise. It's more like an outsider. It's maybe why I'm doing it in the last part here. And so you got this egg gel, you got this keychain. You already know which one you get. You get here this little Italian car. It's actually from metal. Not like this is from plastics. This is from gummies, is from plastic. So I think I rate this guy. It's quite good, I think. I rate it maybe here. Okay. And on the other side of this egg, you got this candy spray. And you sort of literally spray it into your mouth, and I'm doing it now. You can't see. It's some sort of sour spray. Sweet sour. It's super wicked to spray it onto your tongue. Alright guys, so this was the review. I'm summarizing now. Alright, here's the end result. This contest was won by this surprise. It's a little pony, a filly pony. It's cute. It has jewelry. It looks just awesome. So, second in comes Mater, the famous car from Disney Cars. Sort of the best buddy from Lightning McQueen or something. So, third place goes to Hello Kitty on a roller. Just super cute, isn't it? Yeah, it's Japanese pop art, of course. So the fourth place is this figurine from Winnie the Pooh, the big bird here. I'm not quite sure what's it doing in the movie, but I rated it the fourth place. The fifth place goes to this pencil head, Angry Birds. If you're a big Angry Birds fan, this is maybe your fancy ones, but I think this bird doesn't look that cute. Alright, so sixth place comes this creature from Lion King. Really nice figurine quality. I also have a heart like for evil characters, so I'm fine. So, and seventh place is Minnie Mouse. Yeah, cute little Minnie with dress, dotted dress, alright. Then eighth place goes to this, it's girly stuff again for your hair, basically. A little clip for your hair, kind of useful, isn't it? If you are a little girl, it's useful, alright. So, what place I'm now? I have to count. Alright, so this is now the ninth place. This Panther, oh, quite nice. Comes from the Kinder Surprise Egg for girls. Then, now the first keychain, a metal keychain from the movie Cars. Then, 11th place, this figurine from Disney Princess. I think it's Cinderella, I'm not quite sure. Then comes Mickey Mouse. Figurine, not that nice a quality. Mickey Mouse, alright. Then this mathematical toy where you spin around. It's kind of outsider to all of the others. But I think kind of nice. Then the Dark Spiderman. This super small action figurine which can move his hand a little bit. I think he jumps them or something. So 15th place is then this Star Wars keychain with the guys with a fighting scene. Alright, isn't this from Star Wars Episode 1? Then comes another gummy keychain from the Muppet Show with this character. Then comes a little Spiderman figurine. Kind of disappointing, big egg, small figurine. Then a chain, jewelry for girls, Minnie Mouse. This is actually the one I already collected. It was just the chain itself here. So I rated it there. Then also not that great was this little ring. At least for me, I decided it's not that great. Then the first surprise egg from Today the Frog is also not so great. Second last. And the very last is this puzzle. I could actually put it together now in the end of the episode. Alright guys, so there it is. And that's really a reason why I rate this puzzle last place. Basically the quality is very low. The puzzle pieces like tend to fall off again. And you don't really store this surprise, so it's kind of bad. I think it's a deserved last place. And what do you think about my rating? What would you have rated better or worse? Let me know. And this is probably my most sophisticated Surprise Eggs video I ever did. I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching, guys. And look at this, my table is now a gigantic mess. Never mind, see you in the next reviews. Gut, das waren jetzt Unboxings von Überraschungseiern, mal was ganz Neues. Und diesmal so eine kleine Battle. Ich habe alles Mögliche, alles Verschiedenes. Und dann ging es darum, auch die Überraschungen nach quasi Qualität, Awesomeness, Fanciness und so weiter zu bewerten. Und hier ist also das Ergebnis. Also das Ergebnis ist erstmal, dass mein Tisch hier einigermaßen ins Chaos abgedriftet ist. Ja. Naja, muss ich halt aufräumen. Und hier ist noch mehr Müll. Und auf alle Fälle, das ist hier das Ergebnis. Also das Beste, was ich gefunden habe, war das Philly-Pferdchen. Es ist ja einfach nur noch, ja, es ist niedlich, es hat Juwelen, es ist gelb und pink. Das zweite ist dann für Jungs, also es ist ein bisschen jetzt durcheinander für Jungs und Mädchen, hätte ich vielleicht trennen sollen, wie dem auch sei. Dann für Jungs der Mater aus der Filmserie Cars. Genau, sieht eigentlich sehr hochqualitative Figur. Und dann Platz 3, die Hello Kitty aus Japan. Einfach nur noch Pop-Art vom Feinsten. Auf einem Roller steht sie hier und rollert durchs Leben. Platz 3 ist dann eine Figur aus der Serie Winnie the Pooh. Wie heißt das eigentlich auf Deutsch? Keine Ahnung, irgend so eine Eule. Keine Ahnung, was der macht. War halt eine nette Figur, habe ich 4. Platz gegeben. Dann Platz 5 geht an diesen, das ist so ein für einen Stift. Also wenn ihr in der Schule seid und halt Angry Birds Fans seid, dann macht er so auf einen Stift drauf. Genau, oder so, oder ich weiß nicht. Ich weiß nicht, ob man sowas in der Schule macht. Keine Ahnung. Und dann kam diese Hyäne aus König der Löwen. Ist einfach eine hochqualitative Figur. Und ich mag halt auch böse Charaktere sozusagen. Ja. Ich habe ein Herz für böse Charaktere, auch bei Herr der Ringe. Ich fand eigentlich die Orks am lustigsten. Die armen Orks da. Und auf alle Fälle kommt jetzt hier Minnie Maus, wie man sie halt kennt. So, dann hier für die Haare könnt ihr euch so einen Haarclip reinmachen. Also das ist das Praktischste sozusagen von den allen, so für die Mädchen. Dann ein schwarzer Panther. Dann als nächstes habe ich einsortiert, qualitätsmäßig, diesen Schlüsselanhänger so aus Stahl. Und das ist von Cars. Dann muss ich hier aufpassen, nicht durcheinander zu kommen. Hier ist jetzt, ich glaube, das ist Aschenputtel. Ich bin mir nicht wirklich sicher. Die Figur gefällt mir nicht so wahnsinnig gut. Aber hat hier so im Mittelfeld, ist das hier so genauso wie diese Figur. Die ist jetzt, sieht man wirklich, die Verarbeitung ist jetzt nicht die großartigste. Dann kam dieses mathematische Spielzeug, was hier einigermaßen eigentlich aus der Reihe tanzt. Ja, habe ich ja schon ein paar Mal gezeigt. Dann tut man halt auf so ein Blatt Papier damit rumfahren und kriegt dann solche geometrischen Figuren. Also kann man noch besser, hat mir kaum Mühe gegeben. Und so, weiter geht's. Dann kommt eine Mini-Spiderman-Actionfigur, der schwarze Spiderman. Und der kann hier tatsächlich sein Ärmchen bewegen. Was ich so noch nicht gesehen habe. Also die kleinste Actionfigur der Welt oder so. Ja, vom Absprung. Ich weiß auch nicht, wer der schwarze Spider-Man ist. Dann kommen wieder Schlüsselanhänger. Da habe ich diesen Star Wars Schlüsselanhänger gesagt. Der ist besser als dieser Muppet Show Schlüsselanhänger. Ist natürlich alles sehr subjektiv, aber im Großen und Ganzen wird man mir schon zustimmen. Hoffe ich mal. Können wir auch widersprechen. Dann kam so eine kleine Spider-Man-Figur. Das war ein bisschen doof, weil das kam in so einem großen Super Surprise Egg und dann ist dann so ein kleines Ding drin. Dann kam die Kette von der Minnie-Maus Kettensammlung. Genau, wo ist er? Ich habe hier ein riesiges Chaos auf meinem Schreibtisch. Das war nur die Kette, ohne die. Das habe ich eigentlich schon gesammelt. Hier ist er. Genau, hier. Dann ein kleiner Ring. Hat mich jetzt nicht so vom Hocker gehauen. Für ein Mädchen ist das vielleicht das absolut Beste überhaupt. Noch besser als das Pferdchen. Ich weiß es nicht. Und dann das erste, was ich gezogen hatte. Oh, der Frosch, den finde ich nicht so gut toll. Kann man hier hinten noch rumruppeln. Soll dann lustig klingen. Naja. Naja. Und dann findet ihr, der Frosch ist das Beste überhaupt hier. Komplette Fehlbewertung, lass mich das wissen. Und dann hier, ich denke wirklich, der verdiente letzte Platz, das Puzzle. Das ist einfach miese Puzzlequalität, fällt auseinander und man kann es auch nicht aufheben. Ja, man kann es eigentlich nicht ordentlich lagern. Deshalb, ja, der letzte Platz. Ja, wie seht ihr das? Was ist das Beste, was ihr je in einem Überraschungsei gefunden habt? Ich habe hier ehrlich gesagt ziemlich viel Glück gehabt. Normalerweise kenne ich das, wenn man solche Philly-Eier und Star Wars, dass man immer Sticker hat. Ja, war ich etwas lucky today. Kann ja auch nicht schaden. Und das ist die Folge gewesen. Hier nochmal die Top 3. Danke, dass ihr zugesehen habt und bis zur nächsten Folge.